Industrial facilities demand consistent, reliable cleaning to stay safe and productive. That's why System4 of Indianapolis delivers trusted industrial cleaning services in Indianapolis. Our teams are trained for high-traffic production floors, warehouses, and manufacturing plants. We handle the tough stuff so your staff can focus on operations. From equipment cleaning to degreasing and line sanitation, we tailor every service to your workflow. Your facility gets exactly what it needs. Nothing generic. We also perform high dusting, floor scrubbing, and end-of-shift washdowns. No matter the mess, we keep your environment inspection ready. Our Indianapolis industrial cleaning services follow OSHA-aligned protocols for safety and compliance. You get a cleaner, safer space without disrupting production. We know uptime matters, so our crews work efficiently and around your schedule. You get reliable results day after day. Whether you need recurring cleaning or full shutdown support, we have you covered. Industrial cleaning is what we do best. Trust System4 of Indianapolis for industrial cleaning that keeps your facility running smoothly. You'll notice the difference from the very first service. Ready to upgrade your facility's cleaning standards? Our team is here to help anytime. Call 317-222-1039. Visit https:/system4indy.com. System4 of Indianapolis, your facility cleaned right.